Hi, my name is Bill Clark, and some of you may remember me from my days at StarTech Health Services. Since days that I left, I have been offering my services for computer support and for unit support, both technical and for training. And occasionally I have an opportunity to put together a reconditioned or a unit that has been in need of some love and offer it for sale. I have two of those units. In fact, they're Orion Explorer units, which contain both the DCM, digital conductance meter, and the LCM, or the light therapy unit. And those combine to make the Orion Explorer, which gives you the ability to do the finger clip testing automatically, or your conventional EAV style testing with a probe and a electrode, ground electrode. Those two are available for a very, very special price, limited time, first come, first served. Also, I have a few of the just simple DCMs that are available for sale at also a reduced price today through this week. Please give me a call or text at 801-360-9548. Again, that is 801-360-9548. Call or text me at that number, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer those as well. I appreciate your time today. Hope you're having a great week, and look forward to hearing back from you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.